Coronation of the Sun. Psalm 2. Why do the nations rage? The people plot in vain. The kings of the earth take their stand, and the rulers conspire together against the Lord and His Anointed One. Let's tear off their chains and throw their robes off of us. And one enthroned in heaven laughs. The Lord ridicules them. Then He speaks to them in His anger and terrifies them in His wrath. I have installed my King on Zion, my holy mountain. I will declare the Lord's decree. He said to me, "You are my son. Today I have become your father. Ask of me, and I will make the nations your inheritance, and the ends of the earth your possession. You will break them with an iron scepter. You will shatter them like pottery." So now, kings, be wise. Receive instruction, you judge of the earth. Serve the Lord with reverential awe, and rejoice with trembling. Pay homage to the Son, or He will be angry, and you will perish in your rebellion. For His anger may ignite at any moment. All who take refuge in Him are happy.